Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be giving you a tour of my game room. So this is my cartridge based wall. Down on the bottom we got some Super Nintendo games. In the middle we got a whole bunch of NES games. Then my favorite system, the N64. Up top we got an N64 logo I made. I'm going to make a video on how to do that sometime. My bunny that I have had since I was a little kid. My dad won it in a crane game for me. A bootleg Kirby game. PSP box. SP box, a couple boxed N64 controllers, and some Donkey Kong Jungle Beat drums. Got all this stuff at garage sales or in trades on Facebook Marketplace. I got all these boxed Nintendo stuff from a garage sale. I got the 2 controllers along with that boxed N64 for $35. So it's pretty crazy. Good deal. Here's my other boxed consoles. I got a Dreamcast, a white PS2 Slim, the Wii U, and then we got the Guitar Hero 2 for the PlayStation 2 box. Over here we got some DVDs on top. Peep the BMX section. Also peep the And One Street Ball section. We have some Xbox 360 games. A one Genesis game, along with some boxed Genesis games. Kinects, everyone loves Kinects, at least I did. This is my girlfriend's PC setup. She likes to play The Sims over here. A couple other games every once in a while, but mostly she just plays The Sims. She also plays these games over here. The Super Nintendo games, some of them are hers actually. We got a big VHS section. I like VHS, even though I hardly have the ability to sit and watch a full movie because I just like to be up and moving around a lot. But Three Ninjas, those are mine from when I was a kid. We got some of the N64s. My girlfriend got me this as a gift for my birthday. The rest of these are all from garage sales or Facebook Marketplace trades and stuff like that. I need the watermelon controller still, and I also need the grape controller, and then I need the fantastic orange and the space gray, and I also need the blue Pikachu and the gold system. Got a couple other colored controllers here, some more VHS stuff, some PS1 stuff, PS2 stuff. Some of the stuff hasn't been alphabetized yet. I just finished getting the shelves up and stuff, so haven't had time to alphabetize everything yet. Got some Wii stuff and some Wii U, some boxed games, and some GameCube. GameCube and N64 are my favorite systems because those are what I played the most growing up. Got the old CRT running Super Mario World for the camera. The Wii and Wii U motion things. For our systems, we have the Retron 5. You can play Famicom, NES, SNES, and Genesis on the back. And then in the front, we can play Game Boy, Game Boy Color, and Game Boy Advance. Then we got the N64, the GameCube, the Wii, and the Wii U. the Dreamcast, the original Xbox, the Xbox 360, the PS1, PS2, and the PS3. Ignore the cords back there. I built everything in here. This desk is made from an IKEA Calyx shelf. Those are like the best shelves for game setups, so that's what I used. I just put a top on it, and I added these two on the side over here. So just got some extra stuff over here, plus the adult videos. Gotta have some dirty VHS tapes for the collection. Then some controllers. This is my Nintendo controllers, and then all the rest of the controllers. Everything here is on a switcher, so if I go ahead and turn everything on, which might take a minute. So now if I hit these switchers, I have two running in parallel with each other. So this one on top, over to the far right, is running the Retron, so that's why that's going up there. If we hit this one, get the GameCube. This one will get the N64, but I don't have a game in there, so it's not showing up. I think that's Wii, but the Wii didn't turn on. And the Wii U. This one is Dreamcast, but it's not showing up. Xbox 360. This is PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, and the PlayStation 3. So if I want to go back to the first ones, I just push number 1, and then I can select one of these. And it'll take us back to the first one. So it's super cool to have everything on a switcher. That means that I can just put a game in, turn on the system, and it'll go. The TV itself has a built-in VHS and DVD player, and if I want to watch a Blu-ray, I can watch it on the PS3, but the quality is pretty low. I mostly just play retro games, but if I wanted to play newer games, I could. Yeah, like I said, most of this stuff is from garage sales and thrift stores and Facebook Marketplace. I haven't actually spent any money on it. I just buy it below value and then sell whatever duplicates I already have back on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to try to do a close-up of some of these because these are actually alphabetized. But yeah, I got most of the like top titles for the N64 for most systems, but really for the N64. I really want to go for a complete set with the N64, and if I flip all these sideways, then the complete North American set will fit on here. And if you look at the ends, these are in cases, and they come with, and I put some tags on them, so that one I put them on the end. You can see everything. Some of them don't have cases and stickers on them yet, but I have them. I just haven't put them on yet. I got a lot of these NES games. They're one of the first ones I got. I paid like $100 for I paid like $400 for 100 games, and there are some really good ones in there. Some of the games, like 4 of the games in there, is worth that now. Like I had Shatterhand and some other stuff in there, so it was a good deal. And sorry, I ran out of storage on my phone. Been making too many videos, but here's my Super Nintendo stuff. Super fun system. And yeah, so there's all my stuff in the game room. I do have a bunch of handheld stuff. I will show that off before the video ends in the next clip. Here's some of the handheld stuff. It got messed up in the move, but there's the Game Boy Color, and Game Boy Advance. Something stuck in there. We got a system here. And then I have a Game Boy Color somewhere, but I don't know exactly where that's at right now. So I just wanted to give a little outro here, let you know that I did build all the shelves in here. Most of it's just MDF shelving cut in half and then put up by brackets. I didn't want to build it permanent because I don't plan on living here forever. When I move out, I'll probably either sell this house or turn it into a rental. So all of this will be taken down. The games back here the shelves are too small to fit anything besides those on it. Like you couldn't fit DVDs or VHS on it or anything anyway. So I basically just built it custom for that. So if I ever move, then it'll be taken down. So I didn't want to make it permanent or spend a lot of money on it. And I just wanted it to be simple and clean. And I like how it turns out. It's very fun to hang out in here, just play some video games or watch a VHS tape, especially after a long, hot, hard day of work, or one day a week on the weekends. Usually I come in here and play a game or something just to relax, because I have a hard time relaxing because I like to be doing stuff, but sometimes my body's like tired after working like 40 to 60 hours a week doing manual labor-y stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked my game room. I will probably show more stuff in here in the future. I'm not done building it. I definitely, my next goal is to complete the N64 set. So I will be trying to do that. Also getting the rest of the N64 consoles. So that's everything. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.